Hello, welcome to my channel. If you want to know about the chemistry of Goa, that means secret chemistry of Goa, secret places of Goa and famous places of Goa, then you have to subscribe this channel. That's name is Goa Chemistry. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more updates of Goa. Let's go ahead and show you everything about this place. In today's video, I will show you a secret area of Goa, or I can say secret place of Goa. Nobody know about this place, or I can say nobody know about this area of Goa. Why they don't know? Where is it? How you can go? And why it is famous? I will tell you everything in this video. You can see this is the area, this is the narrow road. There is a restaurant behind our side of these roads. You can go there, you can have your lunch or dinner if you want. If you wanna stay here, you can stay here also in cheap price. Let's go ahead and show you everything about this place. There is a colorful buildings in this area. You can see lot of colorful buildings. One building is ahead on me, and if you will go left side, you will see lot of colorful buildings in different colors and in different manner. These buildings related are representing Portuguese era. That means when Portuguese was in India, in Goa, they built lot of buildings like this, lot of colorful buildings and different architecture. Its reason you can see these type of buildings, and if you will go left side, you will also see these colorful buildings. And but in today's video, I will show you a place you have never seen ever. Let's go ahead and walk slowly, and we'll reach there and we'll tell you everything. By the way, this area is known as Fontainhas. It is situated in Panjim city and very close to Panjim church. Fontainhas is a famous for Portuguese colony. As you are watching, these are the Portuguese colony. Even few people also speak Portuguese presently in Goa. But you can see there is a lot of girls, lot of boys, girls and couples are enjoying their Goa trip. You can see. And if you wanna do photography, you also can do here photography. Lot of beautiful photography you can do here. This is the old quarter. Latin old quarters are here. I hope this video is very informative for you. If you want to see more places of Goa, then don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates of Goa. Meet you in next video. Till the time, bye bye. Thank you for watching.